Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at the high-grade G-Quest Gundam I built a while ago. I've been really busy moving to this new place, and my build table is not even set up yet. Have you guys watched the anime yet? I feel like it can be quite confusing and disconnect from the bigger Universal Century timeline, but after the first few episodes, it starts to make more sense. I really love the design, especially the color separation, but don't we all wish Bandai gave us an MG version of it? Big thanks to Argama Hobby for the collaboration. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw this kit, and I can definitely see why it came highly recommended by them. I really love the picture on the box. Someone even told me they made it into a poster and even framed it on a wall. Some of these stickers are so tiny. This kit comes with interchangeable heads, and this is the first one. Those are not just random nubs, they are tiny head pieces. Not gonna lie, this second head kind of looks like a kappa. I gave up on those microscopic purple stickers. I'm painting it instead because they just wouldn't stick properly. All these pieces are so tiny, and trust me, my floor is anything that fall. Once I drop something, I guarantee it will be gone forever. I remember painting a real great kit once and losing a headpiece. I tore the whole place apart trying to find it, and a few months later, I realized it had always been clipped in a clip I used for airbrushing. If you've been following me, you know I've put building on pause for a bit, still trying to figure out the best way to set up the lighting and camera for my build table. I also got rid of my old paint booth, and I'm upgrading to a smaller one with a water curtain, so until I get everything set up, the builds are on hold. And these stickers are really driving me crazy. Took me so long to get them on the right spots. Finally get to put this kit together. This kit comes with swappable hands for holding weapons or striking dynamic poses. It comes with a beam rifle, a shield, 2 beam sabers, and an axe. Wait, is that a Saku axe they threw in here? The beam sabers tuck into the back of the waist when not in use. The rifle is handheld, and the shield mounts on the forearm. This kit reminds me of the Evangelion kits. Let me know what's your thoughts on it. That's it for the high grade G quiz. Super fun to build, tiny pieces and all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.